Welcome to another video. Before we get started today, I would just like to thank my viewers and subscribers. Please continue to like the videos and share the videos with your friends and family. And also, to those who are on this channel for the very first time, please consider to subscribe and to share the video with your friends and family. So today we are making chicken lo mein with spaghetti. My ingredients for today are the spaghetti, my sauce, which I'll tell you more about later on. I have some broccoli, some seasoned marinated chicken, and I have some veggies, cabbage, green and yellow onion, some garlic, carrot, some thyme, and some bell pepper. So let's get started. So I start out by heating my pan on high temperature, and I'm gonna cook my chicken, get them brown on all sides. This is boneless chicken cut in small pieces. And I also have my spaghetti cooking and also steaming my broccoli. So we're going to allow this chicken to cook, to brown on all sides. So let's just give it some time. So my chicken is cooked, and while my chicken was being cooked, I also had my broccoli steamed, and I also had my spaghetti cooked and drained. So now I'm going to start with the veggies. So after removing the chicken, I drain off some of the excess oil. This is still a lot of oil. I drain off some of the excess oil, and I wipe out the chicken crumbs. And now I'm going to start with my veggies. So I drain off the excess oil. And heat my pan, and I'm going to start with my garlic. I'm going to saute the veggies. So I start with the garlic to give it that nice, that delicious aroma from the garlic. Ooh, garlic smelling so good. Don't want to have it burned. So we're gonna lower the heat. And I'm gonna add my yellow onion. Remember, we'll lower the heat. Add my yellow onion. And let that soften up for a little while, for a few minutes. Let that soften up. And then I'm gonna add my veggies. I start with my cabbage. I'm also gonna add my bell pepper and my carrot. Stir it up. Stir it up and Allow them to give a few minutes to soften up. And now I'm gonna add my spaghetti. Stir it up. And leave that to cook for a little while. Okay, so this looks real good. So now I'm gonna add my chicken. Stir it up. I'm gonna add my green onion. This looks really good. Okay. Alright, leave that for a little while. And now I'm gonna add my broccoli. I saved my broccoli for the last because I don't like when my broccoli is overcooked. That is why I just steam it. So just steam the broccoli in hot boiling water. Okay. And we usually add our broccoli in the last few minutes so that we don't have it overcooked. And finally, I'm gonna add my sauce. I'm gonna add my sauce, and my sauce is made up of browning, water, all-purpose seasoning, browning, water, all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, a little ketchup, a little sweet and sour sauce, some garlic powder, herb seasoning. Remember, it's your taste, so you're gonna put whatever you want to put into that to give it your taste. And also remember, if you use salt, you may add your salt. Remember, it's your taste. Okay. So chicken lo mein is almost done. Just give it a little bit more time for that sauce to marinate. Just a little bit more time for your sauce to marinate. Okay, yeah, so chicken lo mein with spaghetti is ready. And this is a complete meal. We don't need to add a side, but sometimes I usually like to have some fried sweet plantain, but this is your complete meal. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.